If you think you don't like chicken liver, it's most probably because you haven't tried it in the Persian way. I'm Rozina and today we're making chicken liver dish or خوراک جگر مرغ as we say in Farsi. It's tender, zesty and so easy to make. It's 20-minute dinner when I want something healthy but super flavorful. It's high protein meal that's actually incredible. What you will need are chicken liver 500 gram, cleaned, sliced, washed and prepared. 1 large onion, slice it however you like. 2 medium cloves garlic, minced or grated. 1 red and 1 green bell peppers. I like to slice mine into long strips to add a beautiful pop of color. 2 tablespoons tomato paste for a rich and savory base. Fresh lime or lemon, just 1, to add that essential zesty finish. And here we have the spice blend. 1/2 teaspoon ground coriander for a hint of citrusy spice. 1/2 teaspoon turmeric for that beautiful golden glow. Salt and black pepper to taste and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Okay, start by heating some butter or oil in a pan. Toss in your onions and saute them until they are nice and soft. Next, add all the spices. Perfect. Saute the spices with the onions for a minute or 2, stirring gently until they become fragrant and release their amazing aroma. Then stir in the tomato paste. Saute tomato paste for 1 or 2 minutes until it depends in color, and then toss in the bell peppers and minced garlic. Saute the bell peppers for 2 to 3 minutes until they start to soften but still keep their vibrant color. Okay, now I'm going to add the chicken livers to the pan. Saute them over medium-high heat for about 7 minutes until they change color and are cooked through but still tender. And finish it off with a cup of water and a bright squeeze of lime or lemon for that perfect zesty kick. Cover the pot with a lid and let it simmer for a few minutes. While the liver simmers, let's prepare the crispy golden potatoes. Wow! There you have it, a nutritious, flavorful Persian chicken liver dish. Gorgeous! Okay, now transfer the chicken liver to a serving plate and serve it warm with your choice of bread or rice. Enjoy it, or نوش جان as we say in Farsi. Check it out. Perfect Persian chicken liver. I love serving it with these crispy golden potatoes because you need that crunch, simple, delicious, and honestly so good. If you enjoyed this recipe, please follow for more easy and delicious Persian foods. And don't forget to save this recipe for your next dinner. Bye.